start.
Okay, so I didn't want to become a teacher. It was an accident. I picked a course which I thought would be fun to do at university because I loved PE at school, and then I picked a PE university course, not realising that what that meant was I was going to become a qualified PE teacher. And I spent 4 years doing a Bachelor of Education degree, which meant it was a qualifying as a teacher at the end of the 4 years. And even at the end of the 4 years, I went to try and join a different arm of the military, which I'd always wanted to be, in the Royal Marines, in the British sort of armed forces. And then I still tried to join the armed forces at the end of 4 years because I still wasn't sure I wanted to be a teacher. Anyway, I got a job as a teacher in a really nice school, and I started to realise that whilst it might not have been what I wanted to do, I really enjoyed the job, and it gave me an enormous sense of well-being and interest every day doing that job. No 2 days are the same, and I find that incredibly exciting.
So why did I become a teacher? I absolutely love teaching. I can't imagine doing anything else. And if I wasn't a teacher, I would be doing something with young people, like social work or something like that. I love being in the classroom. I love sharing my knowledge with students, but also learning from students as well. And often I go home at the end of the day having learned something new from the people that I work with, young people. I just love teaching my subject. It's my passion. I can't imagine doing anything else, to be honest.
So I became a teacher because there's no other profession where I get to improve so regularly. I can have 100 lessons, 100 students, right? And every time I do that lesson, I get better and better. But also it's different students. It's never the same lesson again. So I get to improve while also being agile and trying new things and experimenting with that. What other job can I do that in?
I love working with students, and I find a great joy and excitement when the students grasp a concept or knowledge that they previously struggled with. I think the best part of teaching is that I learn a lot from them as much as they do from me. And last but not least, I would like to inspire the love of learning science to them.